Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use trending hashtags for growth on Thread app. Even though Thread does not have hashtags in the same way as Instagram or Twitter, you can still write trends to grow fast. First of all, open the Threads app and then go to the search tab, and you'll see trending topic phrases and conversations people are doing in real time. And then instead of hashtags, Threads pushes post with keywords and trending phrases. For example, if iOS update is trending, include that except phrase in your post. Next, when you see a hot topic, post about it within the first few hours. Only early posts are more likely to show up in the feed before things get started. Make your post witty, helpful, or opinionated. Just repeating a trend phrase won't get engagement. The more replies and likes you earn, the higher your post surfaces. Share your trending threads to your Instagram stories. People who follow you on Instagram are most likely to join the conversation with you on Threads. Safety tip: don't force the irrelevant trends. Stick to hashtags or keywords that match your niche so you grow in the right audience. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.